50 to 60 pounds. When it's not full of water, you get this much rain and get a sit in that is full of water, you better be able to lift your stuff. That's for sure. It's gonna be heavy.